Welcome to RepByRep, where every rep builds strength, discipline, and results. Let's get into today's workout. Today, we are breaking down two powerhouse moves: dumbbell lateral raise for shoulder width and Bulgarian split squats for lower body strength. Let's go step by step. That's it for today's session. Remember, progress is built rep by rep. If you found this workout helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone chasing the same goals. See you in the next one.